Daily English expression. While you sleep. Day 19. Chapter 42. Making plans to watch a movie or TV show with someone. Would you like to watch Game of Thrones together sometime? I heard Stranger Things is really good. Do you want to check it out with me? How about we plan a movie night and watch The Crown? Do you have any suggestions for what we should watch? I was thinking of watching Ozark. Do you want to join me? Let's watch Squid Game this weekend. Are you free day to watch Ginny's Kitchen together? How about we make some popcorn and settle in to watch Parasite? I've been wanting to watch Crash Landing on You for a while now. Would you be interested in watching it with me? Let's make it a movie marathon and watch The Office back to back. How about we order some takeout and watch Star Wars movies? I'm in the mood for something funny. Do you have any suggestions for a comedy movie or TV show? Do you prefer watching movies or TV shows? I like scary movies. Do you think you could handle watching it with me? Let's have a movie night and invite some friends to watch The Mandalorian with us. I'm in the mood for a romantic movie. Do you have any suggestions? What's your favorite movie or TV show genre? I'm thinking of renting The Witcher. Do you want to split the cost and watch it together? How about we watch Narcos and then discuss it afterwards? I've heard mixed reviews about Descendants of the Sun. Do you want to watch it and decide for ourselves? Let's make some hot cocoa and watch Black Mirror on a chilly night. I'm really excited to watch The Handmaid's Tale with you. I think it's going to be great. Do you prefer watching action or drama movies? Let's put on our pajamas and have a cozy night in watching Friends. I heard All the Bright Places is really emotional. Do you want to watch it and have a good cry together? How about we watch Money Heist and then play a board game afterwards? I'm not sure what to watch. Do you have any recommendations? I'm free all day on Saturday. Do you want to make it a movie day and watch a few different things? I'm really looking forward to watching Breaking Bad with you. I think we're going to have a great time. Let's make some homemade pizza and watch Grey's Anatomy tonight.